Hey guys, this is Bhargavi and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad and happy to see you here. And today's vlog is all about a jewelry haul and all of the jewelry that I own personally. And it is not just Western, I have like this Desi and ethnic jewelry also. So let's go and let's get into the vlog immediately. We have these necklaces, I hope you can see, and these are like I bought 3 of them because they were like 100 rupees. I wear it and show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks on, and this is just like lemon yellow color. This is lemon yellow color, and let's just wear the another one. This is the second one. I hope you can see. It's just so nice to wear such like small and minimal necklaces when you're just going out for like a small event or just going out to shop to do anything. It's just very casual and yet it's chic ish. These are like cherries, if you can see. And it is like really nice, and it's minimal and it's beautiful. Even if I'm wearing it on this top, it goes very well, and it is very like minimal but has like a bit of a statement to it. I have this necklace which is, and it has a pearl in it. It has a pearl in it, if you can see. This is what I bought when I was at the beach last time. I guess I bought this at Ganpatipure, which is in Konkan. And this is how it looks. This is not the chain that came with it. I use a different chain for this, but it looks so beautiful. Okay, this is a necklace that the pendant is from DIY and the chain is from, I guess, Ashley Road. And I just paired them together because I did not like the chain of this. But the pendants from DIY are like something that I really like, and it has such a beautiful design. It has such a beautiful, and it is like pink, like baby pink color, and it has this cute little rose on it, and I absolutely love it. It's just so cute. Next piece, actually I have never worn this. I've never like used this necklace, but this is like a very beachy necklace. It has this starfish charms, and I really like beach stuff. That I have, these are the like this latest thing that I bought. It is this charm bracelet, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute, and I wear it like all the time, wherever I'm out and wherever I'm doing something that is like just casual hangout and stuff. Then I do this. I wear this. I wear it a lot because I like how cute they are. This is like pure glass, I believe, and it has this beautiful flower in it, which is, I don't know how it is inside. I bought this when I was like in 6th, 7th grade, but it is such a beautiful necklace. It is made out of whole glass, and it is like this pink flower in it. This is how it looks. For the next necklace, you might have seen this everywhere on the Pinterest, and this is not actually like this. I bought this offline. It is supposed to be like this and use it, but I don't like to wear it like that. I wear it like these, and this is how it looks, and it is very trendy. Maybe you just want to wear a casual outfit, and you can just wear this and it would just elevate your outfit so much more. And I absolutely love this thing. And when I bought it, I did not like it much, but now that I wear it on a daily basis, I absolutely love this actually. So yeah. For the next thing, I have this statement piece which I don't know, girls will girls would relate to me, because this is such a masterpiece. I love this so much because it is like so much. You can wear it anywhere and you can wear it on any outfit, even on like something casual, maybe a just button up shirt. You can just wear this and the outfit would look so much elevated, so much more elevated. This is what it looks like. And this is quite long, but that's what, like, even if you're wearing like a v-neck, you can just wear this and the outfit would be elevated so much more. I love it. The next necklace, this is one of the things that I bought there, and this is also such a masterpiece. That's what I'm telling you guys. I was not expecting to get such beautiful pieces there, but my mom is a lucky charm to me. Whenever I'm with her, I get like literally such amazing pieces, even of clothing, even of jewelry, even of anything. Like, this is what it looks like, and it is like 3-layered necklace, and it is such a good for party wear. It looks like this. Obviously it is not like this bad. It's like three-layered necklace. Look at the details. Wow, like wow. Even if I'm wearing a basic top right now, and it looks so good. It is so good for like wearing on parties and like office party dinners, and something more like chic but like a bit like partish vibe. I like, this is one of the things that we bought there, and this is just like a pearled necklace, but it has just beautiful different colored pearls, not just white, bronze, and this is kind of bluish gray, but it looks nice. I don't actually like it much, but my mom does. She says that I look good in it, so well. Also, for the next necklace, this is something that this is very me. This is very like something that I like. This is what it looks like. Earrings, you wear it with it, and it is so cute. Like, it is so good. I would wear this when like I'm at a beach or something. It is so like nice, and I bought exact same pair in purple. I wanted pink one, but my mom is like, you have everything pink, so let's just buy purple one. And it also came with this cutie necklace, this cutie necklace, cutie earring, this cutie earring, and I love it. Like, it's so cute, and it is this just makes me feel like I'm a kid again. And so for the next necklace, we're gonna just, I have this bendable necklace, bendable snake necklace. I don't know what you call it, but this is what it is. You can just style it however you want, and it stays like this one, or maybe just like something like this. And you just bend it. I use it mostly for like ear cuffs and stuff, and but it is nice. It doesn't stay like this much longer if the design is complicated, but for the basic structure it stays, and I love it. Like, you can use it for like, I use it for like armrests and stuff like this. You just bend it. See, it doesn't stay like this for much longer. It will just fall, because it's not like very good quality, but I would just say it is okayish. If you wanna like wear a statement piece, it is good, but I actually don't like its face. It has nothing to do with a snake. It looks more like a snake that has been like slapped on his face. Also, one of the necklace that I absolutely love is this statement piece, and you wear it like this. It has no other option. You just wear it like this, and it looks nice. It looks beautiful. This is from Zudio, if I am not wrong, and it is for like 100 or 150 something, but it looks so nice. Okay, now the favorite part of mine is this bracelet. it has this beautiful like, this reminds me of the one toy that I used to play, or the kids of my age used to play, is this spiral ish thing where it just bounces and bounces. It is same like that, and if you do like this, it's like it spirals, and I love it. Like it's a simple design, and you can just play with it even if like you're just getting bored somewhere, and you can just start playing with it, because I do that a lot with this. But it has never lost its shape, it's still the same, and I love it. I can just play with it. I have this beautiful necklace, braceletish bangle. You can just wear it anywhere, anytime, and it would just elevate your outfit in no time. And I love it because its quality also good. I bought this in Bombay, I guess. I bought this in Bombay. And this is from Zudio as well. I don't actually like this much because it doesn't fit me. See, it doesn't fit me. So what I do is I wear it as an arm cuff. It doesn't fit me as an arm cuff, but I like to wear it as an arm cuff, like this. You can see, like something like this. Now I'm just become a little fat, but yeah, it used to fit me like a arm cuff. And this is one of the simple bracelets that I have. This is in silver, and it's not much, but it's for like casual hangouts and office meetings, and it's for like everyday use. My mom's use this a lot. I'm not a big fan of that. And my favorite one, this is what I absolutely love, and absolutely love. And I don't wear this much because I don't have fits to like style this, but it looks so like good. Like see, and it when I wear it, it makes me feel like I'm this like DC baddie kind of girl, and it makes me feel so like so confident in myself. And it also feels like an armor when I'm just going to like war or something, but it's just so nice. And it's a statement piece actually. I'm not big fan of bangles or like a chunky stuff because it doesn't fit me at all, and my wrist is very like small, so it doesn't fit me, and it goes like this. So but it stays. If I'm just like walking like that, it stays like this, and it's nice. Like how else would I describe this? This is also something that I bought in Bombay, I guess. No, I bought this in Camp, Pune. And if you guys want the location, I would just write all the locations or give you the Google Maps for it, so you guys can go. This is one of the pairs that I have. This is also one of the statement earrings that I have, and it looks nice when you just wear this one. See, you can just wear one of the earrings and you're done for the day. You don't have to wear any other jewelry. These are one of the earrings that I have, and it looks weird like this, but when you wear it, it looks so beautiful like this. I hope you can see. And also this one, I bought this. See, it looks so nice. It looks so modern and very like fashionable girl. It gives very fashionable girl. And earrings, we have these. This is such a statement piece, and if you're just gonna wear this, and don't wear a necklace, because then this would stand out and make you look more chic and more, what you can say, not, because when you wear too much jewelry, it makes your like features dull. When you wear a simple jewelry, if you're wearing this earrings, just wear it and don't wear anything like in the neck. Like don't wear any necklace, don't wear any chain, don't wear anything, and just let the earrings be the statement. So the focus is on your face and not on the jewelry. Do you get me? Moving on, let's just do this DC vibe necklaces that I have. This is one of them and it is beautiful. I'm not big fan of this because it's too long, but if you wear it on a sari or something, it would look nice. It would, or maybe you just stack like a 2-3 necklaces and then you wear this, then it would look nice. But the detailing and the pearls are very good quality, and I absolutely love this. Okay, this, I don't know if you can see, this is like this beautiful design of necklace, and when you wear it, this is not very nicely arranged, but the strings are not like this. It's beautifully arranged like this, and it has this 8 8 goddesses on it and one goddess here, and it is so beautiful. And I'm a big fan of South Indian jewelry. Okay, speaking of rings, I have this one of the beautiful pieces that I own, and one more of this, and this is an absolute gem. Like, wow, like, can you guys see the vision? Can you guys see the vision? Like, I'm just so in awe of this ring, and this feels like I'm wearing a literal crystal on my hand, and it just looks so nice. I'm sorry guys, I have not done my nails, so you have to bear with what it is. Look at it. Look at that. My earrings cannot get bigger. This is what I have to show you guys. Like, literally I have such big earrings, and it is quite heavy. I'm not gonna lie, it is quite heavy to wear this, but it looks so amazing, and it has this multicolors in it, so it doesn't make it like what you can say, monochrome, so you can just wear it on any outfit basically. And even if you are just wearing white or black basic colors, you can just still wear this, and it would look so much like you got dressed up, and what you're just doing, you're just wearing this earrings, you're just doing it. I'm just in awe, and the quality is pretty good actually. I don't remember where I bought this from, but the quality is good. This is one of the first earrings. I hope you guys can see. I know the lighting is too much for this. I would just give you a closer look. It is this beautiful teal color, and it has this beautiful leaves on it, which has this pink dots on it, and I'm so in awe of this earrings. Look at it. It changes my face actually. This kind of earrings, it changes my face. See. For the next part, we have this dazzling blue earrings, which are beautiful, and it is also one of the earrings that I would wear for party. It is very like a partish earring. And now this Desi jhumkas that I have. This also has this beautiful stones on it, and it's like this, what you can say, dark gold, a rustic gold kind of gold, but it's beautiful. For the South Indian jewelry obsession I have these. Look at it, this has this goddess Lakshmi on it, and this beautiful dangling thing is on the bottom, and it's just so beautiful. Similarly, I have these also. It also has this goddess on it, but dazzling earrings. I'm not a big fan of this colored dazzling things, because it's not some colors that I absolutely love, but it's okay, it's not bad. Okay, I have this anklets that I bought from Meesho actually, and it is actually very good quality if you ask me, because I'm not a big fan of Meesho. I do like stuff, but I'm not a big fan that orders a lot from there. And these are actually something that I gifted my mom, and these are so good quality and something that I had when I was a kid, and I wear it sometimes when there is a occasion, and it looks so cute, and it looks like it just, it's so like feels very nostalgic to me. Or not, but I bought this in a train, like an actual running train, when I was coming back from Tirumala, and I was coming back from Tirupati. It looks so nice, and it has this beautiful tassels on the below, and it looks like so nice. It is perfect for like Navratri, and when you're just, or maybe for like Indo-Western outfits also, because it is small and it's like a beautiful choker, and you can just wear something stylish top on it and a beautiful skirt, or like vice versa, anything. It also comes with this beautiful earrings to match with it. It's a set. Okay, for the next oxidized piece, I have this. I hope you guys can see. These are like ear cuffs. I'm not able to wear this. I don't know why, but it stays like this. It looks like this, and it's a bit painful. It is absolutely not comfortable, and I would not recommend buying ear cuffs that are cheap quality or cheap price, because it's very uncomfortable for me to wear it, and probably also for you. So just buy, if you're buying, investing in ear cuffs, buy a good pair of it, and even if the money is spent, make sure the quality is good, because it's really not comfortable to wear that for a long period of time. Next earrings, I have this very statement earrings, which is, I stole it from my best friend. So yeah, it is very bad bitch kind of thing, and also like DC baddie kind of thing, and vibe it gives. That's what it looks like. Okay, for the oxidized jewelry haul, I have this one, these two pair of earrings, which are very lightweight, and you just put it like this, and it looks nice. That was the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment down below your favorite jewelry piece in this video, and please comment down if you want any links. I would try my best to give you links of any of the jewelry items that I have shown in this video. Thank you for watching. I am genuinely happy that you watched my video. So I would meet you in the next video in the next week. So stay tuned.